and we have to find, this is the figure, and it's given the tension is 16 Newton and the coefficient of frictions we have to find at two contacts. Okay, so first we can see that this object is trying to go down because of it is down the incline, and it will be getting pulled. So if it is acceleration is A, so this will be having acceleration A, tension is T, and then their tension will be T, and then we have friction upward, then we have friction leftward here. Okay, and then we have normal in this direction, we have normal here. Okay, normal N1, suppose normal N2. So now we will write the equation for 2 kg block. For 2 kg block, if you write, it will be tension pulling rightward minus friction. Okay, so the, suppose we call it F2, this is F1. So F2 tension. So this is N2, suppose we call it N2, this is mu2, this is F2. These are the normal forces, this is friction, and this is N1, suppose normal and friction. Okay, and then this is mu1. So for 2 kg block, if we write, so for 2 kg block, we have to write tension minus friction, and then we have to write M1 into A. So this much we can write for this object. Tension minus friction equal to M1. So how much is friction? Friction will be mu1 times N1 equal to M1A. So T minus mu1 in and M1. How much is N1? That is M1G. So we can write like this. Okay, this is equation 1. Now second is for 4 kg block. For 4 kg block, if we say downward force is how much? mg sine theta. So directly I'm writing. So m2, this is m2 equal to 4 kg. So m2g sine 30 degree minus tension upward equal to, and minus friction also, minus friction F2 equal to M2A. So in this way we can write. So how much it will be? M2G. So M2G is 4 kg into 10 into sine 30 is half minus tension minus friction. How much is friction? Friction is mu2 into N2. So on the incline, the normal is how much? Normal is mg cos theta. So we can write 40 means we can write 20 here, minus tension also we can write 16, and mu2. And how much will be N2? That will be M2G cos 30 degree, because it is on the incline. That equal to M2A. Okay. So this is 20 minus 16. So that is 4 Newton equal to mu2 and M2G. So M2 is 4 into 10 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 equal to M2 is how much? 4 into A. So all the things, this is the equation 2. So we can put all the values. We can put all the, see if you put in first one, tension is 16. Mu1 we have to find. M1 is how much? 2 kg. G is 10. M1 is 2 kg and acceleration is 0.5. So directly we can find. So this is 16 and this will be 1. So minus 1 equal to 20 mu1. Okay. So mu1 is coming 15 by 20. So that is 0.75. Okay. And mu2 we can write. This is 4 minus. So mu2 we can write as 4 minus mu2, and that is how much? 2. So 20 root 3. 20 root 3 equal to 4 into 0.5. Okay. So mu2 is 4 minus 2. divided by 20 root 3. Okay, so that is 2 by 20 root 3, 1 by 10 root 3. So this will be the coefficient of friction for the second one. Okay, mu2. So in this way we have to find.